Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so we are speed testing Boost Mobile, T-Mobile Access, Boost Mobile, AT&T Access, and Boost Infinite. Right now we have Boost Mobile AT&T Access on the left with the Galaxy A53, and then Boost Infinite on the right in the Pixel 7. To have a more accurate testing, because modems are different depending on the devices that you're using, would mean that I would need like three of the same devices. So take this with just like an overview and not so much as down to the nitty gritty. But right now what I'm doing is a test. Since both these two access AT&T's network, I am doing the test at the same time just to see, what's what they pull. And right now I'm going to be doing a single test on the Boost Mobile prepaid AT&T Access SIM card, and we'll see what results we get for that one alone. Now, I will say up front that the T-Mobile one is going to yield better results, but I am going to tell you guys that, the network quality doesn't match up with what the T-Mobile side gives. And I know this because I've live streamed from the Boost Mobile T-Mobile Access SIM card. And yeah, the SIM gets choppy and pixelated and everything. So yeah, that's just weird. But anyways, here's Boost Infinite. We're running the test now with the Boost Infinite on Pixel 7. And you can see the speed test results on the Galaxy A53 with Boost Mobile prepaid AT&T Access. So that's on the left. So there we go. That's the downlink. Uplink seems to do far better on a single tested run rather than them both running at the same time. But it was kind of weird because it almost felt like as if the prepaid side got better priority than the postpaid side. But so there's the results for Infinite. Now we are going to compare Boost Mobile prepaid AT&T Access versus Boost Mobile prepaid T-Mobile Access. So we'll run them at the same time. And there we go. Now, as far as being able to do like daily things like social media, texting, watching YouTube and stuff, they're both fine to do that. But you do see a little bit of a difference on the T-Mobile side, and as I explained earlier. So yeah, this is them side by side. The uplink looks better on the T-Mobile side for Boost Mobile in total. And the dynamic switching that we get later on, this is what we're going to be expecting on the three-way. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Leave a comment in the comment section of the video. Ask questions there, I'll answer it. Thanks for checking it out. Peace.